Good morning, students. During in our English lesson, we'll speak about the travel and tourism. Learning objectives. Ask questions to find out about the phrasal verbs take. Write with short sentences with means of transport. Сәлеметсіздер ме оқушылар? Бүгінгі сабақтың тақырыбы travel and tourism. Саяхат және туризм. Means of transport. Транспорттың түрлері dog sledding, ит жегу, Yak Adventures, бұқа жегу, elephant encounters, пілге отыру, camel rides, түйе жүргізу. Phrasal verbs with take. Фразалық етістік take. Take off, take to, take after, take up. And now, please look and watch the video about the travel and tourism.
Ethical animal tourism. For thousands of years, humans have used animals to help them get around. With ethical animal tours, you can try these traditional modes of transport all over the world without causing harm to the animals. Dog sledding. These adorable husky dogs just love running. Watch the beautiful Finnish landscape flash by as you speed through the snow. Yak Adventures. Yaks are great means of transport. They are very strong, so they will hardly notice you sitting on their backs as you explore the Mongolian steppe. Elephant encounters. Visit Thailand's Bang Chang Elephant Park and learn about the biggest land animal on earth. You can even take a ride on one, but only if the elephant wants you to. Camel rides. Trek across the Kizilkum Desert in Kazakhstan, just like the Silk Road traders used to do on a camel. Camels can travel over 100 kilometers a day and go for weeks without water. Which of these animal tours would you enjoy most?
And now, please listen to me. Phrasal verbs with take. Take up, бастау. Take up a new hobby. Жаңа хоббимен айналса бастау. Take off, шешу. Take off the hat. Шляпанды шеш. Take to, қызығу, ұнату. Children take to computer games. Балалар компьютер ойындарына қызығады. Take after, ұқсас болу, ұқсау. She takes after her mom. Ол анасына ұқсайды. Please copy out into your exercise books. And now open your books, page number 89. In your page number 89, exercise number 7. Please write these exercises into your copybooks and choose the correct particle. In task number 2, you read the text and make sentences as an example. Please read the text again and write the sentences into your copybook. I take them 5 minutes.